Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a country on your Android phone. Well, to be honest, this feature is only available to few devices or the few brands. So you just need to check that whether it's available on your phone or not. If it is not available, then you won't be able to change your country over your Android phone. So you have to use only a VPN. So just go to the settings of your phone, and once you go to the settings of your phone, here you have to just type region. And once you type the region here, just select the region, and basically you can see that my region is this country. I can just change my country. I will select, for example, let's say that I will choose Finland here, and once I choose the Finland, everything in my phone will be changed, right? So my location will be changed, the region, the timing, and the currency, whatever, it will get changed in just few seconds. The language will also get changed. By the way, you have option to add a language. So you have to just type region on the search bar, and if you have that feature, you can just change your country over your Android phone. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.